Hello, my friends. Today for math, you'll need a paper that looks like this. You can print that out right off the website. And you'll need some tens blocks and some ones blocks. We're going to work on adding some big numbers together using our tens and ones blocks today. So let's practice this first. So the first thing we're going to need to be able to do is build these numbers using tens and ones. So this first number is 26. So we're going to build that. 10, 20. Okay, so there's my tens, right? 10, 20. How many ones do I need? Let's see, we'll count by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, there we have 26. And now we're going to build 12. How many tens do I need for building 12? Yeah, 1 10. So 10, now I have to switch over to ones, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's the first step, is to build your number with the tens and ones blocks. The next step to figure out how much this is all together, we're going to count all of this together. Just like we would if we were doing like 3 plus 5, right? Or 2 plus 2. If I did 2 plus 2, I put out 2 cubes plus 2 cubes, and if I want to know how many it is, what the sum is, I push them together and then I count them. Well, we're going to do that same thing with our tens and ones blocks. So we're going to group them. Let's group all the ones blocks together and all the tens blocks together. Now, this might seem a little funny to you, but when we're adding tens and ones, we want to add the ones first. We'll always start by adding together the ones first. And so when we write our answer, we're going to want to make sure we put the ones over here on the side for ones. Remember, tens go over here and ones go on this side, okay? So let's count our ones blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put my 8 over here where ones go. I have 8 ones. Now let's count the tens. Now, since it's going in the tens place here, we don't have to write, well, let's count them first. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 blocks. Okay, so we're counting how many tens blocks there are, not the value of them right now, how many there are. And there's 3. So I'm going to put that here. Because it's in the tens place, we don't have to write 30. We know that 3 tens blocks makes 30, but it's going in the tens place here. So whenever we see a 3 in the tens place, we know that means 30. So we don't have to write 30. We're just writing 3. There's 3 tens blocks, okay? 3 tens blocks. 1, 2, 3. And I did the 8 for the ones. So now we have our answer. It's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And that's what we wrote, 38. Okay? So there we go. So you can do your ones. It's a good habit to count your ones first and put your ones here. Count your ones. Okay? 38. Let's do another one together. Let me find my eraser. Oh, here it is. I have to stretch for that eraser. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 34 plus 21. Okay. First step is to build them. So 10, 20, 30, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 34. Okay. How many do I need for my tens over here? All right, 2. And how many ones do I need? 1. Okay. And then we're going to push them together and do some count time. Okay, so do the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And remember, does that go on the left or the right? Over here on the right, right? Where the ones go. Remember, these are the ones. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. What number is that? 55. Now we can count to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay. want you to practice that today with this worksheet. I want you to use your tens and ones blocks. And if you don't have enough tens blocks or you don't have ones blocks, you can use something from around the house. You can use your gems as ones blocks if you need to. You can use markers as tens blocks or pencils as tens blocks. You could use pennies as your ones. You can get creative. You could use beans if you have beans as your ones or anything. So just get creative. Something long as your tens blocks and something smaller as your ones blocks if you don't have enough. Okay, so you're going to go through and add these numbers together. Okay, and then the answers go in the box. Okay, you've got this. I know you can do it.